Ever wondered how a seemingly secure network can be breached so easily? Let's dive into a realm that's often overlooked when discussing cybersecurity: protocol attacks. These are not your run-of-the-mill security threats. Protocol attacks exploit the very rules and conventions that our digital communication relies on. They're a major concern, posing unique challenges and demanding innovative solutions. So, while our world becomes increasingly connected, understanding protocol attacks is more crucial than ever. Well, one of the reasons could be protocol attacks. So, what exactly is a protocol attack? Imagine a bustling city with roads filled with vehicles, all adhering to a specific set of rules. Traffic protocols, if you will. These vehicles stop at red lights, go at green, and yield for pedestrians, ensuring smooth and efficient movement throughout the city. Now, what if a vehicle decides not to follow these rules? The result would be chaos, disrupting the harmony of the system. In the world of cybersecurity, this is akin to a protocol attack. Protocol attacks are just like that rogue vehicle, breaking the rules of network communication. In the cyber world, protocols are the rules that determine how data is sent, received, and interpreted. They ensure that devices in a network speak the same language and that the communication is seamless. But when a cyber attacker launches a protocol attack, they exploit these very rules, causing disruption in the network's communication. They're essentially the vehicle that runs a red light, causing other vehicles to swerve and crash. There are various types of protocol attacks, each with unique methods of causing chaos. For instance, in a SYN flood attack, the attacker sends a flood of connection requests to a targeted server, overwhelming it and preventing it from servicing legitimate requests. It's like a rogue vehicle blocking an intersection, preventing other cars from moving. Another example is the ping of death attack, where the attacker sends malformed or oversized packets to crash or freeze the target system. Imagine a vehicle carrying an oversized load that doesn't fit under a bridge, causing a traffic jam behind it. It's important to note that protocol attacks don't necessarily aim to steal data. Their primary purpose is to disrupt service, cause delays, and create havoc in the network's communication system. They exploit the vulnerabilities in the network's protocol rules, much like a rogue vehicle exploiting gaps in traffic. In essence, protocol attacks exploit the rules of network communication, causing chaos and disruption. Now that we know what protocol attacks are, it's time to summarize the main points. So what exactly is a protocol attack? In the realm of cybersecurity, a protocol attack is an exploitation of the very rules that govern network communication. It's like a cunning chess player who knows the rules of the game inside and out, and uses this knowledge to manipulate the game to their advantage. When a protocol attack happens, it's not just a minor inconvenience. The impact on network security can be massive. These attacks can lead to unauthorized access, data theft, service disruptions, and even total system shutdowns. Think of it as a domino effect. Once the first domino falls, the rest follow in quick succession. Now let's talk about some common types of protocol attacks. First up, we have the denial of service attack, commonly known as a DOS attack. This is like a virtual traffic jam. The attacker overwhelms a network or service with too much data or requests, causing it to slow down or even crash. It's akin to a single person trying to handle a crowd of thousands. It just doesn't work. Next, we have the distributed denial of service attack, or DDoS. This is like a DOS attack, but it's coming from multiple sources at once. Imagine trying to fend off a swarm of bees. It's practically impossible to deal with all of them at the same time. These are just two examples of protocol attacks, but there are many more out there, each with their own unique methods and impacts. The world of protocol attacks is vast and constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and vigilant. In summary, protocol attacks are a major threat to network security. They exploit the rules of network communication, leading to a wide range of security issues. From simple service disruptions to full-on system crashes, the effects of these attacks can be devastating. Remember, protocol attacks exploit network communication rules, leading to various security issues. You might be thinking, how can we prevent these protocol attacks? Well, strap in, because we're about to dive into some general strategies that can help safeguard your systems. First up is the importance of regular system updates. Updates are not just about getting new features or fixing bugs. They often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. So when you see that update notification, don't ignore it. It's your first line of defense against protocol attacks. Next, we have network monitoring. This is like having a security camera for your network. It allows you to keep an eye on all the data flowing in and out of your system, helping you spot any suspicious activity. If someone or something is trying to mess with your protocols, you'll be the first to know. Finally, we have intrusion detection systems. Think of these as your network's alarm system. When they detect any unauthorized activity or breaches, they sound the alarm, allowing you to take swift action. Intrusion detection systems can be particularly effective in preventing protocol attacks as they are designed to recognize the patterns these attacks often follow. But remember, these are just general strategies. Every network is unique, and what works best for one may not work for another. It's about understanding your network's vulnerabilities and tailoring a security strategy that best fits your needs. Preventing protocol attacks requires a proactive approach towards network security. And remember, in the world of cybersecurity, the best defense is a good defense. As we wrap up, it's clear to see the significance of understanding protocol attacks. We've dived deep into the mechanics of these attacks, unraveling how they exploit the rules and conventions of network protocols to wreak havoc. From SYN flooding to IP spoofing, we've seen the various forms these attacks can take. We've also examined the devastating impact they can have, from disrupting network services to compromising sensitive data. And it's not just big corporations at risk. Even smaller networks and personal devices can fall prey to these attacks. But it's not all doom and gloom. We've also explored some robust prevention strategies. We've talked about firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and the importance of regularly updating and patching systems. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these attacks and their prevention is your first line of defense. Knowing what protocol attacks are and how to prevent them can make a world of difference in maintaining a secure network.